Morning from Tumby. A much better morning this morning. I've come for a wander along the seafront, to be honest with you, to have a look at it when it's not cold and dark and murky. Whilst Ryan's still fast asleep, he's had a good old night's sleep. It's sort of 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm wide awake. So I'm going to put my feet in the ocean. It looks nice and serene, doesn't it? I have had a terrible night's sleep. I have royally fudged my back, so I'm like around. I've got some deep heat in the motel, so I'm going to put some of that on, I think. But let's go in the ocean at 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, that's cold. But look how clear it is. It's absolutely beautiful. So the plan today is to explore more of the Eyre Peninsula. We've pretty much done Port Lincoln. There's lots of other things to see on the south, east and west coasts of the peninsula. We're going to Coupland Bay on Tuesday, which is sort of north west, so we won't be doing much northwest really. Yeah, nothing northwest. Everything mainly sort of south-west today. Loads of things to see. Looking forward to it. I have just remembered the safety video briefing I watched yesterday about razorfish whilst I'm walking barefoot on the sand. Absolutely case in point. Boat building. Sponsored by Bunnings. Wow, check that out. Yeah, you don't see many of them, do you? Bunnings, you. Oh, no, hang on a minute. First stop of the day, and we've come to a place called Whalers Way. My face, by the way, very, very peely. That always fills me with confidence. As you can see, gravel roads, unsealed roads, but the Swift did a good job. Well done, Swifty. Check out the colour of that water. Holy moly.
Residents and invited guests only.
Insert jazz music here. Charlie lives on. R.I.P. Charlie. Port Lincoln Smokehouse. Kingfish. This one hasn't been yeeted across a beach. This is a weird combination. Tuna dip, smoked kingfish, and a Monster Energy.
Is that the name of the grape?
Off-roading in a Swift.
Probably not well advised.
Not my car. September Beach. Here it is. Ow! I think I've just stood on a razorfish.
I need to try that one again. I thought it was better when it was overcast.
September Beach, voted the best beach in the Eyre Peninsula. Not by me, officially. Here it is. It's that good that there's no one on it, apart from me. And this dude. There he is. We're going to go for a little wander along the beach edge. Maybe go for a dip. It's not as warm as it looks. It is still 26, 27 degrees. It's about nearly 7 o'clock at night. Just been to Donington Beach. Lots of people on Donington Beach. Having a great time. I'm going to be enjoying September Beach. How's the water? I ask how the water is because we have been on Donington Beach and it's been cold, so I'm about to see how warm it is. I mean, it's not much warmer. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. How you going? Right, see you later. John, why are you not going in the sea or the ocean? Because the honest answer is it's cold. And this guy is not driving, I'm driving. So I don't want to get soaking wet and have to drive all the way back to the motel. In fact, we're going for dinner as well. I fancy a steak. It's been a great day today in the Port Lincoln National Park. The reason we've come is to see places such as Donington and Sleaford and Spalding and Louth and Lincoln and Boston and all sorts of stuff. Am I going in the sea? No. Is it as warm as Semaphore Beach? No. But I will be going in the ocean, not the sea, tomorrow. When Ryan and I are going shark diving. Now the likelihood is we probably won't see any sharks, sadly. But we will, hopefully, see some seals and have a swim with some seals. It's a shame the sun's gone in. How's the shark situation? I'll keep an eye for sharks. Da-da. You may think that's a joke, but there are genuinely sharks in here. Great whites. So I am keeping watch for fins for Ryan. Now by the time I've warned him that I can see a fin, it's probably too late. But at least I'm doing something useful. Emerging from the ocean, it's Craig Daniel. What you got there? Oh, a sponge. How was that?
It was very refreshing.
That looked very cold.
No, it's good. Fuck, it's beautiful, isn't it?
I've decided I am going in the ocean, despite how cold it is. Because, when else am I going to get my own private beach? Look at this, look, nobody. So Ron and I are going to go in, have a swim, and keep an eye out for the sharks. But yeah, private beach. When else am I going to get one? In Australia. Well, I went in, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. Not cold, not wet, and not miserable. The good news is I had a change of pants and shorts in the car, so winner, winner. Really enjoyed that. The endorphins was good. And now we're going to go get some dinner.
That's on the road, there's no corrugations there. and have a drink. Thanks, mate. Much better.
I'm glad I got a Suzuki Swift.
Time for a swift escape.
I like it.
How are you enjoying the road quality, John?
That's good, isn't it? It's really good.
How's the Swift?
It's got air suspension.
You're not getting your deposit back.
Well, it's not my car. Ryan, where are we off to?
We're going to the Ming Inn.
We're going to Mingin. Let's hope it's not Mingin.
Brilliant. It's very fun.
The end of day 2 in Port Lincoln. We had a great day, and I'm glad we got to see the finals of the tuna toss and go to the national park and have pretty much our own private beach. We're going to head back, or we are back now, at the motel, get some sleep, because tomorrow is shark diving, sea lion diving, going out on the boat day. There's been no shark sightings, sadly, for about a month, so we probably won't see a shark. But either which way, we're still going to have a great time. And actually, the Mingin was also very good. If you've enjoyed this video, thumbs up please. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hype, do the usual stuff, comment down below. Until next time, have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching this latest video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, I've selected a couple more videos for you, especially on this page. You might enjoy those, and don't forget to subscribe to always keep up to date with the channel.